A very good morning to all, and I am Sanju Banjir. I welcomes to all, and here on your screen, the problem has a different. We have a different problem. You clearly, you all are clearly seeing this object, and this shows this x direction. And now, for the x direction, so this is your front view. Remember, this is your front view, and if we are using the third angle projection method right now, we all are using here the third angle projection method. Third angle projection method. Okay, so I already discussed and I already talk about the third angle projection method, and according to this method, a short and simple situation are being held. And so what the new in this third angle projection method, so here we just describe shortly. So now suppose in this is your line or baseline. So in the third angle projection method, the top view is always above, and just below you draw the front view. And if we talking about the side view, then from this diagram clearly you seen this shows the x direction. That means this shows your front view. From here we have nothing to see because we all are not clearly seen the object behind this side, but we clearly seen the object from the side. This side clearly shows the side view. Okay, so this is front view. So what is this is side view, and what type of side view? This is right hand side view because my right hand is here. So this shows your right hand side view. And now you all know one more view are remaining, and that is top view. So here you all seen this object from the top, and what we seen, and draw this draw here. So this is your complete detail. And remember, you all firstly I put simple changes in here, and for your convenience in use and convenience in your if you're making this, so for easy construction I show the all the views are different views with the different pencils. So here let's start. So suppose we are drawing about the front view, we have to draw top view. So what is the question? So this is your question, and draw front view, top view, and side view. Okay, so side view is right hand side view. So here we start drawing front view. So first of all we have to draw a line. Okay, and which type of line? And the line is 1 centimeter. So here we draw the three lines, that is one, this second line, 1 second, this is your second line, and this is your third one. Okay, now from the for above we have again draw 1, 2, and 3 lines and gaping of 1 centimeter. Okay, so this is looks like this, and we need to erase some extra lines like this, so not overlapping anywhere. So okay, so again I constructed these. This is a very simple method. Okay, so from here you all know you all seen this type of line, and before starting we have to put actual view where they appear. So according to third angle projection method, remember here right hand side view and left hand side view. So we all know that the side view situated just side of the front view. So here if right hand side view, if in the question we have to draw a right hand side view, then according to third angle projection method, right hand side view is always drawn, always construct to the towards the right hand side. So this is your right hand side view, and again if we see this object from here, then it is left hand side view. Okay, and for the first angle projection method, again I simply explained according to first angle, the front view is above, top view is below. And if you're talking about the side view, then we also we always know that the side view is just side of the front view. So here either here. So if in this question the right hand side view is given, then you must draw it towards the left hand side view, left hand side. Okay, so this is your right hand side view, but draw left. Again here from the right side, this is your left hand side view. So just change this, left is drawn to the right side, and when you looking the object from the right side, then you should be drawn to the left of the front view. So no doubt regarding this. Okay, so right now we start the construction. So putting the proper view at proper place. So now for according to this method, we have right hand side view. So this box shows your right hand side view, remember. And so this is your front view, front view, and so just above the front we draw the top view. So this is place of the top view. Now what we seen from the front, top and side view respectively. So from the front view we see here, from the front view, remember, we see length and height. From the top view, when we see the object from the above, then this length and this width are shown. So length and width, and from the side view here, this is your width and this is your height. So width and height. Okay. So this 75 line shows, this line shows the length, this 52 shows the width, and this shows 40 and 9, that is total a height. Okay. So now we start the construction of this particular object. So starting from here, so putting a proper I put the proper views. So now start from the front. So taking here, you remember. So now first put the dimensions. So let's start. So front view, we have the height and the length. So what about the length? The length is 75 and what about the height? So height is 40 plus 9, so that is 49. Okay. So now start from the here. We use again a 2H pencil, but you using HB pencil, because I have a single pencil and I very much need to show a exact diagram, so I use the color pencil, but you use HB pencil. So here now we consider what is the length. So this arrow shows the length and this is shows your height. Okay, this arrow shows. So what is length? Length is 75 so this is your 75 this is your 75 and what about the height? So height is 49 so this is always parallel here, from here 49, so this is your 49. Okay, and join is as a box, so like this. So here we draw the front view. Now starting here, so what we seen, so this objects, one second I show you a clear diagram with a clear diagram. So what we seen from the front, so this color shows this, we use this pencil for showing the front view. So this type of shape is shown from the front view. So right now we have to go for the construction. So here what the dimension, you clearly see this is 9 so, and this is a complete box of 9 into 75. So firstly need to draw this. So here we start construction of this making a front view. So from here we use HB pencil. So this is your 75 then, and what about the height? So you clearly seen that the initial height is 9 so here 9 we draw 9 we need to construct a 9 line above. Now what about this distance? What about this distance? According to the question, this distance is 33 remember. So I put the dimension here. This is your 33 remember what I am saying. So this is your 33 from here to here. Again for that is also same, that is 33. So what distance? So clearly 33 plus 33, that is 66, and the remaining is, and this is your. So for this what we seen, so from both the end we need to draw 33 like this. This is 33 this is 33 for both sides, and now this is your 9 so firstly we draw it, we make a center. So you need to find a center line. So, half the 75, so 37.5, and from here we put a center. Now what about this? So this is your 8 this is your 8 okay, 8 and 8. So this is your 8 and total is 46. So 46 minus 16 is 30. So from here we take 15 and 50 and make a hollow circle, a semicircle like this. Okay, like this. And now from again take a arc and adding 8 extra. So from here like this, this is extra 8 so from here we add 8 here, and again from here we add 8 here, and now make it a line. Okay, from again here this is like this. Okay, now from here this is your 9 join like this, and this tilted line always shown for single line. So this shows your this strip, this and this. Okay, so this is your front view. Now talk about the top view. So what we need, firstly we draw a 75 52 of a long line. So this is your Now firstly we put a dimension. So this is your 52 mm, like this. Okay, so this is your 52 width, and this is your length, total length, and which shows front and top. So this is about 75 mm, like this. Okay, now from here what we seen from the top, so there are, we clearly seen the two strip of 8 mm thickness and 52 mm long. The length is 52 mm and width is 8 mm is drawn. So here this is your 8 mm, this is your 8 mm. Okay, so from this we set IMD parallel to it and draw a line like this of 8 mm one side, and from here again, from here we need to draw like this. Okay, now for what these two small strips are always shown, because this is tilted, this is not straight, this is a tilted, so it also appears from here. So this line again from here, this line and this line is touching this strip. Okay, now this is for the last, this not joined from here, so we need to draw a dotted line for showing this. Okay, for showing this, so this is hidden line till end, this is also hidden line till end, also this is your hidden line, also this is your hidden line. Okay, and for the remaining, this is also your hidden line, because these 9 mm of strips are not clearly seen from the top, but this is joined completely with the solid line from to the behind of this top view. Okay, so from here this and from this is a single line like this, so we need to make it like this. Okay, so this completes your top view. Okay, so this line and this shows this, and now from a small strip here not looking, but here some kind of line for this length, and again from here this is seen. Okay, and all other lines are hidden. So this completes your front top view. So now we are moving to the side view, and now you are seeing the object from here. So this is your side view. So what we seen, 52 mm of width and 49 of mm height. So here this is your height and this is your length. So height is 49, and what about the length, what about the width? So width is 52. Okay, so from here we need to draw a box. So construct a box of 52 and 49 mm. So this is your width side. Okay, so here need to draw 52 mm, and from here this is your height, making join it a single line like a box. Okay, now from here again we need to draw a 52 mm. So this, so complete this like this. Okay, so here we the side view of this object is shown from this outline. So what we seen from the side view, so this line, okay, one second, I show you this. Okay, and this object of 8 mm thickness are clearly seen. Okay, but this portion are not seen, so this was hidden. Okay, but this is a small line, these are always seen. So try to draw it. So from here firstly we need to draw like this. So 52 mm and initial height is 9 mm. Okay, so this is your 9 mm, and this is complete a box like this. Okay, this is your 9 again. Okay, and this is your, what about this, this is your 52 mm like this. चलिए यहाँ से देखते हैं, ये दिस इज योर, आप ये आपका कितना है 52, ये 9 और ये टोटल 49. एंड नाउ strip of 8 mm, this is your 8 mm of scene, and this is your last at the top. So from here we need to take a center line. So this is your 26 mm of center line, and from here we take 4 mm and 4 mm for both the ends. So this is your 4 mm, and now this is like this, draw the line to join with this top. Okay, like this. So this is this. Okay, now for what, again we want to draw some line. So some line are, you clearly seen, this is your solid line and this is your beneath line, just below of this. That means 46. Okay, width is total 46. So here we need to extend the line. So from this was this line. So from here we just need to draw like this. So here like this and like this is left because this is a solid box, so this is left. Okay, now forward, this line are not seen from the side, so again drawing like this parallel to it, and this is your hidden line. So from here this is your hidden line, dotted line. This is not clearly seen from our eyes. Okay, so this all the three structure shows your all the views respectively, that is front view, top view and side view. So I putting the dimension here, so just 2-3 seconds, 1-2 minutes or less, so we make just dimension. So this is your 9 mm. Now what about this? So this is your 40 mm. Okay, this is your 9 mm, this is your 52. And what about this? So here this and like this. So what about it? This is your 8, again this is your 8. Okay, and this strip is 9 mm. So this is your 9 mm. Not need, that is not exactly need to show this, but you all are showing this like here, so need. And this is your 9 mm of strip. Okay, now what remaining? 9 again. Okay, so okay, and that is 40 mm, 9 mm. From here 75 mm, that is also 9 mm. So no need to draw any dimension further. So I think this is okay and this is clear. So please like, share, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Thank you again.